I pre-crushed these peanuts. So these are crushed peanuts. I'm gonna microwave these because I'm not gonna use peanut butter. I have white rice. This is onions, frozen chicken, and I have honey, can of rotel, garlic pepper seasoning, ginger, tomato bouillon, so I'm just gonna add enough to where I can warm it up and stuff. All right, and I'm also gonna add water to the peanuts. And to the peanuts, I'm gonna add honey. That's good. And then give it a stir. It'd be easier just to use peanut butter, but I don't want to use peanut butter. I'm going to go ahead and add some of these onions here to the chicken. Go ahead and throw it in with the onions. And to that, I'm gonna add some of this rotel. Let me get some of these tomatoes. All right, and I'm just gonna mix it with the tomatoes and onions. That in there. All right. And with the chicken, I got this, the peanuts are heated up and they're sweetened with honey. And I crushed them already. So since they've been in there for 2 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and pour them in. It smells so good. It smells like roasted peanuts. It smells so good. Okay, and so I have also this bouillon that I just got from the microwave. It took 2 minutes to make. You see, give it a good stir, and then you pour it over the rice. Pour it over the rice, just a little bit. Right? Okay, that's enough, and then the rest can go with the chicken. Okay. And so now comes the seasonings, which is pretty simple because the bouillon has a lot of flavors in there. So I'm just gonna add some ginger to each one, and the garlic pepper has parsley in it, so I'm gonna add that as well. Some ginger. Let me try the other side. Okay, that's good. And I'll put some in here. That's good. And the garlic pepper, this has parsley in it. I don't have cilantro or coriander, so I'm just gonna use this. Use as much spice as you want or as little. And also in the rice, I think I added too much liquids, so use as much as you prefer. If you like saucy rice, and go ahead and keep it like that. If you like drier rice like I do, then just add enough liquid to coat the rice. It's just for flavor. So the chicken, I'm trying to break up the chicken and mix up all the spices in here and get everything incorporated into the broth or the soup.